So my question, sir, is knowing the 60-40 equity limitation on foreign investors being one of those blockades to the Article 3 of the ASEAN Framework Agreement on Services, which is focusing on liberalization, do we see the proposed charter change that was recently rejected in Congress as a solution as a part, no, of the given recommendation in the said study? Second question, sir, is earlier Ms. Godena said that Malaysia and another country is allowing full land ownership, no? So, and the Philippines is not allowing 100% foreign land ownership here. So if this is needed as to liberalize or remove certain restrictions on land ownership, isn't it contradicting grassroots calls for land reform? For example, Anapawis Party List's House Bill 252 or the Genuine Agrarian Reform Bill.